inform me.
Actually, you always forget to inform me and then you blame me. I'm the victim.
What are you
always
doing? And now you go home and change. We don't have time. You're already late because of you. You never pick up the call in the first go. The bathroom, so I didn't pick up. Big deal. I called you back, no? What's your problem, yaar? I am not going with you.
It's not my fault always. Just stop blaming me.
Go. Bye. Listen, can you show me that viral reel that you were talking about? You're talking about the bills wala reel, no? Yeah, that one, yeah. I'll show you 1 second. Bro, you were showing, no? What? Arey bhai, it's fine, just let it be. So you know what happened yesterday? We had gone to college to take our mark sheet. So it was on the first floor and we were climbing. Then we took our mark sheet and then we were getting down. But the steps were so slippery, I slipped. And then... I don't know, like, what's the point? What was I saying? And you know na, corona is like kind of deadly, so it's very important to wear a mask. So see, you have to like wear your mask and pinch it here so that it can stick to your skin. Yeah, na, mask, no, yeah. Mask is very important. Yeah. And then don't forget you have to sanitize everything. Like you have to sanitize your phone, doorknobs, everything. Are you listening? Yeah, I'm listening. Yeah. Mask na, yeah.